Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm James, and today we're going to be installing our LED conversion kit on this 5th gen Ram 2500. Now, regardless of the vehicle you have, our kit is easy to install, and the only difference between our step-by-step guide today would be potentially different components you may or may not have to remove to get access to your headlight assembly and your bulbs. Now, before we get right into it, let's talk about why you're going to want to replace these halogen bulbs with our LEDs. The first reason is appearance. Immediately transform the look of your headlights by replacing dull orange hue with that pure white LED. Second is visibility. Say goodbye to having poor nighttime visibility. Our LEDs provide unmatched visibility, greatly improving safety while driving. Number 3 is compatibility. Our kits are designed for your make and model. Therefore, there won't be any unexpected codes on your dash. Other manufacturers don't take the time to test their product. We do. Before listing a LED bulb replacement on our site, we test it for compatibility and performance. And finally, as we mentioned, it's ease of install. Anyone can install an LED conversion kit. Simply remove your stock halogen bulbs and plug in our kit, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do right now. First, you'll want to locate your headlight assembly. From there, you're going to want to find out how to access your bulbs. Depending upon the vehicle, you either can access it through the engine bay, through the fender liner, or in some instances, you may need to remove the entire assembly itself. In the case of the Ram 2500, we'll be able to access the low beams through the fender liner and the high beams through the engine bay. We're going to replace the low beams first. What we're going to need to do is remove the protective cover, then get the halogen bulb in the harness, remove both of those, and replace it with our kit. To make the install easy and to make sure you're not damaging your vehicle, we do recommend using our install kit. It makes popping any of those Christmas trees or other hard to get pins on your vehicle a breeze. Most people would think that a halogen bulb would draw less power because of how dim it is in comparison to an LED. In fact, it's actually the other way around. Now, your computer system in your vehicle is designed, if something is different, it's going to alert you. To make sure that when installing an LED conversion kit that there's no unwanted codes on your dash, we make sure that we include a decoder with every single kit. This makes it so there's no unwanted codes on your dash and all power is regulated properly and it's safe to drive. Before installing your LED bulb, you're going to want to inspect your halogen bulb and make sure the locking tabs are the same on both bulbs. What this is going to do is make sure you have the correct orientation inside your headlight housing so that the beam pattern is properly reflected. We can easily adjust the locking tab on our LED conversion kit, and you want to make it so they're going to be the same. Then when you go to install, you can guarantee a perfect fitment. If you do forget to do this prior to installation, you can adjust it while it's in the housing, but if you end up adjusting it too far and this comes off, don't worry, simply realign it back on the LED bulb and you're going to be able to securely turn it back into place. Once you have your LED bulb properly oriented, now you're going to want to make sure to plug it into the decoder set. Keep an eye on your positive and negative terminals. Make sure that those are properly oriented as well. Get a nice click. Firm waterproof seal. Now it's time to install this LED into the headlight housing. Once you have adjusted and oriented your LEDs correctly, it's time to make sure everything is secure and tuck the kit into the assembly and reinstall the factory rubber cover. Next, it's time to replace the high beams. Luckily, in this Ram 2500, it's located right here inside the engine bay. Now, when it comes to replace the high beams, it's the exact same process as the low beam. First, remove the rubber housing, get access to the halogen bulb, replace it with the LED, and put everything back securely. Let's get right to it. To replace your low beams and your high beams on the passenger side, you're going to follow the exact same steps. But before we complete the job, we want to show you side by side our LED conversion kit versus those stock halogen bulbs. And as you can see, installing an LED conversion kit dramatically transforms the look of your truck. And most importantly, improves visibility and safety while driving at night. Now let's get this install completed. If you enjoyed watching our install guide today, then head over to our channel on Customs Unlimited. We have the latest install guides as well as the newest lighting news and more lighting content for you to watch. If you're looking to pick up your own set of LED conversion kits for your vehicle, we make it very easy on CustomsUnlimited.com. All you have to do is fill in your year, make, and model, and you'll see all of the lighting upgrades that are compatible with your specific vehicle. In the meantime, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.